What's up, SteadyTrade Treats fans? Bryce Tui back at you, cracked out with some caffeine. I honestly haven't even gone downstairs. I haven't made breakfast, haven't made coffee. I'm just trying to get everything ready for the day, which that's what we're going to talk about today. Kind of the overall state of the penny stock market, small cap market, and just kind of my thoughts on what I'm going to be doing. There's definitely been a momentum shift. I don't think that is even really a question. I actually had my first, notable red day yesterday. I lost like $2,000. Part of the game. I wasn't well prepared. I didn't adapt well. And, I want to make sure that I'm not in that boat again and that no one else is in that boat because, again, a lot of stocks just weren't acting like normal yesterday. I know a lot of people struggled yesterday and the day before even. So let's get a sip of caffeine in and get this video started. Or a few sips of caffeine. Starting off, let's see. I think probably one of the hottest things right now is still probably Bitcoin. Bitcoin did just push to new highs, but it was these pushes have been a lot more choppy, grindy. It almost seems like it's running out of that steam that it originally had. I'm not saying it's done forever by any means, but, we did just break a key level. The overall market, even like the SPY, we are right now currently like 392. But, we're getting toppy on everything, and we know we're not dumb. This is a bubble that we're in. Whether it be the penny stocks we're trading, whether it be the overall market, we know that this is a bubble. Doesn't mean it needs to end tomorrow, but we have to be aware of that. We have to be conscious that this market isn't normal, and we as soon as everyone thinks that it's normal is generally when things kind of start to get wonky. For me, one of the biggest things I noticed yesterday was the listed stock, the NASDAQ momentum. Basically, for like the past probably 3 weeks, 4 weeks. These gap ups were getting kind of ridiculous, right? Like if a stock closed strong, it was gapping up like another 50%. Then yesterday I was checking pre-market and all the strongest stocks weren't gapping up. They were actually gapping down a little bit. And that was kind of my first sign all right, might be a little bit slower of a day today. Stocks like TSNP just falling off of a cliff. A lot of these pumps, and even the ones that were holding strong kind of ended the day weak yesterday. So, and let's be fair. On top of this, it was, this is a 4-day week. We have people who might not be, not as many traders perhaps. We're coming into a Friday. Things are slowing down a little bit. I think the key today is to really unless you see an A++ setup, really put the brakes on a little bit. Just because the market has been hot, just because you've been doing well, doesn't mean there's going to be a trade every day. And even if this isn't the sign, the end of the market, the end of the market run, this very well could just be a breather for the market. Either way, I think it's important to know when to slow down for a second, know when to look back or, take a breather and say, okay, what is the overall market doing? What do I need to adapt? Again, those are just my thoughts. It's really just a slow down for a second, identify the market trends, and then come back on Monday well prepared. Don't get FOMO. Just don't be stupid. If you need to put the brakes on, it's okay. My personal thoughts, let me know what you think. Do you think this is the end of the market? Do you think this slowing down of the OTC market a little bit the past few days and the slowing down of the listed market, do you think this is the end or is the market just taking a breather? I'm hoping it's just taking a breather, but let me know down in the comments below, guys. Have a safe Friday, have a safe weekend, and I'll see you back here on Monday for a full week of trading. Let's get to it. Catch you guys later.